Hey guys, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77RC. When we come back, gonna do a flight with the Beast drone. This is a SG906 Pro 4K drone with the 2-axis gimbal. I'm gonna do a flight test, and then I'll do a quick distance test while I got it up there. It's super windy today, guys, so we'll see how it does. And there's a bunch of hawks flying around, so I have to be careful because they can swoop and attack this. So all right guys, we're gonna get it all set up. I'll show you guys how to calibrate it, the GPS, and then I'll show you how to calibrate the gyros on this, you guys. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm out with the SG906. So I'm going to calibrate this thing up and take it up for a flight and see how it does. It's starting to get pretty windy, so we'll see how it does. So I'm going to turn on the controller, and let's turn the drone on. There we go. Alright, I'm going to find the Wi-Fi in a minute here. There's XL Pro, so you want to connect to that one. And then I'm going to calibrate the compass. So let me find the app real quick here. It's the H-Fun Pro. Going to press start, confirm. Okay, so we have picture. Now I'm going to go and calibrate it by holding the camera button down for a few seconds here. Alright, let me go ahead, and it just beeped right now, so it's ready for the first calibration. So okay, it just beeped. Now we're going to face it down, and we're going to go, you can go clockwise or counterclockwise. So there we go. Alright guys, we have 7 satellites. I'm going to go ahead and calibrate the gyros. So should just have to hold the speed button, I believe. So let me, there we go. See it flashing, and it's calibrating the gyros right now. And the controller's flashing. There went the camera doing its little calibration. And we are ready. So alright guys, let's see how this thing does. I'm going to move this rock off of here. The wind calmed down just a little. I'm going to start the recording. Press the record button. It should be recording now, so hopefully it's saying it on the monitor. So let me check the speed rate. Okay, so it's only got 2 speeds, so I'm going to press the automatic takeoff. Should be this back one here, and this is to tilt the camera down. Let me put these up here. Tilt the camera down. There we go, up and down. So that's all the way up. Let's do about level, and then I'm going to go and do the 1 key. Should be, let's try it here. Nope, that's not it. Let's just go out. There we go. Alright, it's getting pretty windy, you guys, so we'll see how this thing holds up and see how well it does up in that wind here. So let's take it up a little bit here. Alright, I'm gonna go up. I'm at about, this thing goes pretty fast. I'm surprised. We're at about distance of 37 meters, and we are 54 meters up. Taking a look out at the Pacific there. Let me tilt the camera down a little bit. Oh, that's up. There we go. Looking at the slough out to the Pacific Ocean, guys. That's Moss Landing right there, and you can see the power plant. I'll take it up some more, and we'll start heading out that way to see what kind of range we get. Hopefully that memory card's working good. I had problems with the memory card earlier, so let's see how well it does here. I'm going to go up some more. Let's go about 100 meters. At 100 meters. All right, let me get in the shade here. All right, we're at 105 meters right now, you guys. Take a look here. We're at 200 meters away. We're at 200 meters, and right now it's saying that it just stopped at a range. It must have had freeze up on the Wi-Fi FPV, because it's not showing the meters now. It's saying distance is -16, which is strange. I'm gonna press the return to home and see how well that works and see what happens. It's churning around, and here it comes back this way right now, you guys. So 200 meters it stopped reading on my phone display. I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus, and on the telemetry right here it was showing minus, and I'm getting the numbers aren't working very well here. It's showing the height just fine, but the distance it's not showing. That big old condor coming down. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring it down, you guys. It's just my first initial flight. I just wanted to see what it would do, and I don't want to take it for a max range because the telemetry stopped working on here and on this. So I'm going to stop the return to home, bring it back and land it. I don't know, guys. I'll have to try another flight. Maybe the wind will calm down the next day. So you can see how windy it is. So all right, you guys, that was just my first test for right now, just to see what it would do. And so far, I don't know why, but the meter's not working very well on the controller, and it's saying minus on the distance. The height's working well, but you can see my Wi-Fi is still froze up, you guys, for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. The drone stopped filming as well, so I'm not too sure, you guys. All right, I'm gonna try recalibrating this, you guys, and see what happens. Let me set it down for a second. I'm gonna try calibrating it again. Let me start the calibration here by holding the camera button. You can actually do it in the app too, I believe. Let me go in the app, prepare to fly, calibration, and it's doing the gyro calibration, so you can do that in the app. Once that's done, I'll try a GPS calibration again, see what it does. All right, here we go. Calibration with the app. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it's telling me to go ahead and do the rotation. We'll do it clockwise. Okay, now we're gonna go face it down and do clockwise as well. All right, there we go. Calibration's done. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and start the recording. All right, hopefully I can get this working. Take it up again. See what speed. Okay, there's speed 2. Let's try this again, you guys. Super windy, so you got to put that in consideration. It's about 10 mile an hour to 15 mile an hour winds right now. So far the telemetry is not working well, you guys. Something's wrong with my controller. Looks like the battery's low on the RX. That could be the problem. That's probably why it's not. Looks like I only got 2 bars, so 70 meters it's working now. I'm gonna have to end up getting some new batteries, but let's at least pan around a little bit, take a look out here. See the ocean there. Telemetry is working on the phone app so far, that's good. Just zooming around, looking. I'm gonna tilt the camera down in a second here. I tilt it down, there you go. There's all the way down. Have a look around. I'm going to tilt it back up. take a look at the ocean. Picture looks pretty good. It looks a little bit of jello in there, but it's not too bad. But I'm only 79 meters up and about 72 meters out, so looks like we're still doing good. Looks like it's still picking up. 100 meters out, and then it stops right there, the telemetry. There's 130, 140. It picked back up 160. See if we can get past the 199 mark. I'm gonna go up some more so I can still see the drone. We are at 227, 260, and we are at 300 meters, 317 meters, and I'm gonna go and bring it back, guys, because I'm starting to lose a little line of sight here. So just about 400 meters. Let me bring it back, because it looks like the battery's starting to get low on the drone. So let's get back here. Here it comes. I lost Wi-Fi FPV, so let me bring this guy back here and get it land. All right, I got 400 meters, guys. I don't want to go any more. It's just getting too windy. Second time wasn't too bad. But it kind of hung up there when I stopped the return to home, so we stopped the film. Looks like the film stopped at 2 minutes anyway, so I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if it's my memory card messing up or what. All right, guys, there you go. Round number 2, got it back just in time because it is on yellow, just about ready to die. So it's weird how the camera stopped at 2 minutes. So all right, you guys, well, it was worth giving a try. Thought I'd give it another shot. Hopefully it recorded on that memory card. If not, I'm gonna have to just show you the Wi-Fi footage. Hopefully it captured that, you guys. So you can see the screen still froze up looking over the ocean, so I don't know what's going on. So anyways, the battery's got full bars, you guys, except for the drone. I was looking at the wrong one. So the batteries are not dead in the controller. The telemetry is off. I don't know why it's messing up here in the controller. The one in the app seemed to be working okay. It would freeze up a little, but at least I got 400 meters. But the one on the controller is messed up, you guys. So I don't know what's wrong with that. I may have to return it. So that's kind of a bummer. Just thought I'd let you guys know. It was my second flight right now, and I'm actually not too happy with it. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Like always, guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.